Hey everyone, in this video let's have a look at the EvolutionX room for the LG V30. So let's get started. First of all, here you have some input options for Google keyboard or some other keyboard that you may want to select. And you even have some gesture options here, like jump to camera, swipe up on home button, and you have some other stuff as well, as you can see here. Now you have some other gesture options, and in terms of buttons you have options like accidental touch and one-handed mode. So you can swipe across the nav bar actually, but I don't think it is yet compatible with this Pi one because it is just taking me. Okay, so something is weird with it. Now let's move on. Now here are a lot of customization features that are available for this room. So let's just quickly go through them and have a look at them. Now talking about the battery life has been pretty decent for me, and it is a bit better for me as compared to other rooms. So that is pretty cool. And substratum works pretty well here. I'm using a substratum theme of pitch black. As you can see, it is themed through and through. You have even options for volume steps, playback control, and some other stuff. Now you have some navigation button options, nav bar buttons. As you can see here, you even have the option for including a clipboard here. So overall, this room has a lot of features. You have navigation gestures. As you can see here, these are similar to OnePlus gestures. You'll have to disable navigation bar for these to work. You can easily do that using many mods, and even Fluid UI app allows you to do that. You have recent panel options. You can change the recent panels. You have different versions here. So with the quick step one, you don't have these customizations here, but you do have a clear all button at the end. So let me just quickly jump to stock and see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, that's not bad. And then these customization options occur. And let me quickly show you the grid view as well. You might not have seen it. And as you can see here, this is the grid view. Now moving on, we have the power menu. Now talking about the performance, I kind of struggled with performance on this particular room, especially with the kernel that it came with. With the same kernel, I got decent performance on other custom rooms, but for some reason this room really struggled. The dev has told me, who developed it, that they are undergoing resource changes. That's probably why it struggles in terms of performance. And as you can see here, you have some hi-fi quad DAC options here as well. So that's great to see on a custom room. And in the display section, you will find stuff like ambient display, always on, color theme, device theme. You have a few options and font options. So this is the Antutu score that I'm getting with this room. So that's it pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this video.